Hi, welcome to Blue Rhine, Qatar. What you see behind me is around 500 square meters of Rhine Bond 3mm aluminum composite panels being installed by one of our customers. As you can see, the fascia is flat without any wavy feeling that you get in the hot summer. This fascia is achieved by using a 3mm aluminum composite panel from Rhine Bond. Using a 3mm, you can value engineer the project for your clients without the additional cost. With the right fabrication techniques, you can achieve a smooth fascia or facade without any undulations using Rhine Bond aluminum composite panels. We maintain on stock the panels in 3mm and 4mm in various sizes and various colors. Get in touch with us to find out more of what we offer in the region.